Just over 9 months to the day since Mississippi recorded its first coronavirus case, the COVID-19 vaccine arrived in the state.
12 News' Kayla Thompson shows us the first shots and looks at how the vaccine will be distributed.
State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs was the first person in Mississippi to receive Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine.
Felt like a butterfly. A little bit of sting, not bad.
A lot of people say they're concerned about possible side effects, but Dr. Dobbs encouraged many to set fear aside.
We do know that people can expect to have some arm soreness and feel achy, maybe a little bit fatigued for a day thereafter. So that's just part of it. But certainly it's absolutely worth it to get past this, the risk of having actual coronavirus.
The Pfizer vaccine takes 2 doses 3 weeks apart. The Department of Health is already planning ways to make sure people don't forget about their second dose.
We do have an automatic notifier that will let folks know when it is, and we actually have a process where you'll get like a text and a phone call reminding you it's time to come back.
It'll be at least spring or summer before the general public is able to get vaccinated. The priority is frontline workers, those most at risk, and people in nursing homes.
So we hope that this will go rapidly, but again, the limiting factor is going to be the dependency on those numbers of vaccines that we get to be able to distribute out to everyone.
The Mississippi Emergency Management Agency has 31 trucks ready to distribute the vaccine and will even provide dry ice.
The pharmacies that maybe house these vaccines, if they need additional dry ice, we can help provide that. The federal government's also helping provide some dry ice as well to keep the vaccines at the temperature that they need to stay. So that is as far as our job for MEMA. We make sure that the vaccine gets from point A to point B in conjunction with the National Guard, who's actually behind the wheel.
More people may be vaccinated as early as Wednesday. And if the FDA approves the Moderna vaccine this week, it could be in Mississippi next week.
And that was Kayla Thompson reporting. And Dr. Dobbs says people should not let their guards down even though the vaccine is here.